Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious creamy Nigerian pepper soup. This pepper soup is fantastic because it is guilt-free. Really? Because whether you're watching your weight or you're on a weight loss journey, this pepper soup is on point because there is no oil, nothing. It's just vegetable and your beef, your meat, or whichever you choose to use. So if you are curious and you want to see how I make my creamy Nigerian pepper soup, then stay tuned and I'll show you my own version. Okay, to prepare this pepper soup, we'll be needing some goat meat, some bell peppers. Here I'm using one red, one yellow bell pepper, and then one fresh pepper. You can add more fresh pepper if you prefer. I'll be using onions, garlic, seasoning cube, salt, thyme, ginger powder. I have 1 tablespoon of crayfish and 1 tablespoon of pepper soup spice. Never mind, all the ingredients named here will be written in the description box. Okay, in the pot where you already have your goat meat, add your seasoning cube, thyme, and then pour some water in the pot and allow this to boil for some minutes. The next thing is to cut your vegetables. So, cutting the bell peppers into chunks. Never mind for the size, because cooking it becomes very soft and of course it becomes easy to handle later on. The same thing goes for the onions. We cut it into big chunks. Okay. Now it's time to transfer the vegetables into our boiling meat. Add your cloves, your 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, ginger powder, your pepper soup spice, crayfish, and then add some more water to cover. Salt to taste. The best thing now is to stir and then allow this to cook for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, this is how our pepper soup is looking. So at this time, you can add the remaining spice, the fish, and some more water. Leave it to steam for 2 more minutes. Okay, as you can see, it's boiling very well. Switch off the gas, and the next thing to do now is to remove the pieces of meat from the broth that we have, or from our soup. As I was saying before, pepper soup is really nice, and for who grew up in Nigeria especially, this is a dish you find in your homes very easily, because our mothers always have these spices in their kitchen cabinet. Always. Crayfish never lacks at home, pepper soup spices never lack at home. It's just a matter of having, if you have beef, if you have goat meat, if you have fish also. Some people make it even with chicken pepper soup, so you can really prepare it the way you want. After taking off all the meat, the next thing to do now is to blend the bell peppers to form a nice smooth sauce. As you can see, this is where the creamy comes from. So when I say creamy Nigerian pepper soup, it's because it now has that aspect of soup. I don't know if you have ever seen owo soup. I guess. It even looks like a whole soup now, and so it's not a typical Nigerian pepper soup that is that kind of running liquid, almost transparent. This one is creamy because it's another nice way of consuming vegetables. Okay, so after blending our bell peppers, so we have it very creamy now, add the meat back inside the sauce and allow this to boil for some minutes. But this is the best time to correct your sauce if you are lacking any ingredients like salt. You can add some more crayfish. I just added salt. I added more pepper because I wanted it a little bit more spicy. Okay. You stir, you cover, and you allow this to still steam for some minutes. After which now you add 1 tablespoon of frozen parsley leaf. I have it frozen because I buy it in bulk. I, just keep it in the freezer because it's easier to bring out when I need it. If we're in Africa, we may be using maybe Saint Leaf. Here I don't find that, so I make do with what I have. So I would say at this time our pepper soup is made, it's well cooked, and if I tell you the aroma in my kitchen, you will not believe. I'm already hungry. So this is the end of our recipe for today. Thanks for watching and hope to see you very soon. Bye.